Welcome to the step-by-step video editing guide. Open Filmora and import your footage. Drag the video into the timeline and allow it to load completely. Next, click on the aspect ratio settings. Select the format 4:3 and adjust the resolution one side, which is 480 to 600. Once that's set, confirm your changes. Now, reposition your clip in the preview window so it's framed correctly. Do this for each clip to maintain consistency. When you're ready, move to export. Before starting, double-check your export settings. Turn off any unnecessary features, such as auto-highlighting, to ensure a smooth render. Then, export your video. Now open CapCut and import the exported video from Filmora, which is Watermark. Drag it into the timeline. Now click the crop tool here to crop out the watermark frames. And adjust the aspect ratio to your final format, typically 16:9 for widescreen. Extend the clip along the timeline to check for any unwanted Wondershare watermark frame at the end. Trim as needed. Finally, export your completed project from CapCut. Once the process is finished, open the folder to access your watermark-free final video. You've now completed the removal of watermark from your video. With your clips properly adjusted, cropped, and exported, you're ready to deliver your project in a clean, professional format. Thank you for following along, and happy editing.